Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science Insider. In this video, I'm going to tell about there is an opportunity for Azim Premji University is hiring for the faculty in the bioinformatics or structural biology. So as you can see, I'm in the website of Azim Premji University. So I went into this job opportunity section. So they are inviting the application for faculty position in bioinformatics for their undergraduate program. So Azim Premji University they will be offering the faculty in Bhopal campus. Okay, so Azim Premji University Bhopal started operations in August 2023, offering the postgraduate and undergraduate program. Okay, and they are expected to grow about 4,000 students and 500 members over the next few years. That's why they are expanding their program offering, and they are inviting the application for full-time faculty positions in the addition to teaching in our their programs. They offer faculty and enriching and fulfillment institution build, experiencing encompassing interdisciplinary program design, development and research opportunities, setting up and implementation of the key institutional process, culture building, and participation in the various institutional bodies. So they are currently looking for the candidate with a short quantitative background with any of the following areas: system biology, bioinformatics, biophysics, quantitative biology, computational biology, and the neuroscience. So the requirement is an advanced degree in the biology or related field with a 5 to 8 years of work experience, strong educational interest and experience in the laboratory work, designing and creating the lab experiments and modules, and teaching laboratory based courses will be added advantage. Strong communication skills, both written and verbal, ability to collaborate effectively with diverse stakeholders. So the application procedure will be like this: email the following documents to the faculty positions at apu.adu.in with the subject line application for faculty position in bioinformatics structural biology Bhopal. So you have to send the curriculum vitae, a short 1 2 page note explaining why you might be wish to join the university, teaching and research statement, two sample for scholarship article, books, chapters, or any others, completed information, and the summary sheets. Okay, so in the summary sheet, how it looks like, they have given the link, and let's open this. So this kind of thing will be you'll be seeing there. So you will have to fill the form like this: position applied for, name, address, corresponding, and everything, and education qualification, work experience, expected salaries, research experiences, and this kind of information you will have to submit there. So this was the whole video about, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you don't want to miss any kind of opportunity like project vacancies, admission to the Ph.D, and also some internship kind of information related to the life science basically, so consider this channel to be subscribed. Have a good day. Bye.